The good news is that you can be able to send Momo, which is mobile money, from Ghana to Nigeria without any third-party apps. Now, you heard me right. Before this, if that was possible, unless you make use of third-party financial apps, which would then convert your cedis to naira for you to be able to send it. But now you can do that right from your phone. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps of how you can be able to send mobile money from your phone to somebody in Nigeria just using the normal mobile money process. Now, you might want to watch this video to the end because I would state certain things and certain secrets you need to know so that when you're practicing, it is going to be successful for you. If you decide to, do your own things, trust me, it's not going to work for you. You have to follow the exact steps and the exact procedure. With that being said, my name is Happy Amira. Let's get right into it. Now, before we get into the main demonstration, I would like to outline a few terminologies that you need to be aware of. First is mobile money interoperability. What this simply means is that it is a platform or a system which allows you to send mobile money from one platform to the other. Now, the main thing here is what we call CBS, cross-border payments. And what this simply does is that it enables you to send mobile money from one country to the other, which was initially kind of impossible when using the normal routes. But now, due to this technology, it has become possible. And for this to be able to work, you need to know some few things. Number one is that the person you're trying to send the mobile money from has to be registered on MTN. So you have to be an MTN user because as at the time of recording this video, this is not available on all the other networks in Ghana, and so you need to specifically be an MTN user, and the person that you are sending the money to has to also be an MTN user. Now, not only that, the person has to have been registered on the MoMo platform in Nigeria. Now, in Nigeria, a lot of people do not have mobile money because they do more of bank transfer systems there, which I'll talk a little more about that in a second. But then for the mobile money on to work, the person should have specifically been registered with MTN Mobile Money. Then also, as I said, this does not work on bank transfers. I would explain in a later moment of this video how you can be able to do this if you want to specifically do bank transfer. With that being said, let's get into the demonstration. Now, to do this, it follows quite similar process to the normal mobile money process, but then some slight changes. So you would want to dial *170# and then you're going to call. Now, when you call, you're going to receive an options and then you're going to choose an option 1, just as you are doing in the normal process. So option 1, transfer money, and then over here you're going to choose option 7, cross-border payment. So option 7, cross-border payment, and then you're going to come here, transfer to wallet, option 1, transfer to wallet, and then notice the only country here is Nigeria. So you're going to click on 1, Nigeria, and then you're going to click on done. And then over here, you're going to enter the recipient's number. Now, this must follow the country code, which is 234, and then the number. And this has to be a number registered with MTN MoMo in Nigeria. So once you're done, you click done, you follow the other process to input the amount and your mobile money PIN details. And as simple as that, you are done. Now, what you just saw was the process of how to send mobile money using the normal *170, and it doesn't require any third-party app. But this only works with MTN Nigeria users who have registered on MTN MoMo. What if you want to send to a bank account instead? Because most Nigerians use the bank account system and the bank detail system, and you cannot do that in the process I just showed you. Now watch this video to know how. Now you can be able to do this as well using your bank app. In my case, I'm using the GCB app. I don't know if your bank supports this, but then GCB does. And so once you're in your GCB mobile app, you come over here to payments, and then you're going to see a list of payment options that you can use. Now what we're going to do here is to use the PAPSS payment, which says instant cross-border payments in Africa. So you're going to click on PAPSS payments, and then what you're going to do here is to click on direct payment. So you're going to click on direct payment over here, and then you're going to choose the destination country. So you select your destination country. As you can see, the GCB app supports quite a number of countries here, but then in our case we are sending to Nigeria, so you click on Nigeria, and then you're going to select the beneficiary bank. And so there are a lot of banks here. Make sure that the bank is registered. You click on any of the banks of your preferred choice, or the bank you're sending the money to, let's say Access Bank PLC, and then you're going to enter the account number. Once you enter the account number, you're going to enter the amount you are sending, and you're going to approve payment. As simple as that. And that was that. How to send mobile money to Nigeria as easy as possible. Now I know you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, like this video, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Also subscribe to this channel and put us on post notifications so that whenever we drop more awesome content like this, you would be notified. My name is Afia Mera. I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.